ena no pay so odi amaye de adu so no ya Adom TV Badwam kase some no near to dwa wo mu bi ya wo betini owura GYAKYE application or the court say de bia ye di na asa yes sama no ya tu aheda enne won besa akosa asem no so ye de mu nchiremu no ebebramo na police inspector na wono so ebo ne mpena etuo no woso wanya sa eno so asem no ye tu aheda no ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase no wo Go TV channel no ye 119 ena DSTV channel no 280 midin ade afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni die muntie sede nsam chiremu ankasa etie kane asen north mrahye bedwani owura James GYAKYE ena ne nsam no a announce by election ebeba so ebenada edi animu no wode na samakwa dan court bi mfise court de baye sede bia obeba na asem no ya hwe ni die so nanso court no etu eheda enne and wo mobekọ sa asetena na so de course wanra Adom TV kase edeba
Abra Accra High Court ekọ asetena yana wonom ekotie James GYAKYE asem a wode abedan wonom se asem a wo be hya ase adi ane senti de bia hu behia se wo beba court no won hwe hu bi enyama no no na owura ya lawyerfo edito court no animu se esan se James GYAKYE ejina ewo asenot by election a eba so ya hu momo bosomeda eteso aduonu nson nti hu behia se wo bebo entoa na se ekobase de bia obeba koto a ebe ha ne nto abono nanso afetua yeboa ya oye deputy attorney general editu ja se wono hia ebredodo a wode behwe owura no ensem mu ne senti koto no ahye se ayehumomo obosome de etoso aduonu baako wonom ensamra asem di bia hono na wontena asem no so owura ya lawyer fo a chachuchi kata enedi wonom animu no anye sa asem ya ntum ya wode dan court ne se ebe ya nkasema wode abetu wonu animu no ene ya wontena so na wonfa ehumuaye entudwa ansa na asempɔte na eda ho no wonom ahyase edi nanso anya ade se asem ya chachichi kata edi tudwa no judge ne agitu mu a osi sudua se ochina wukuo wonom ensanmra na womua asem no Alfred Tuyayeboa ene nsem trofo twetwe nkomo wa abere akɔte no ede na setena no ebe wiye James GYAKYE echitaifo ebo chiko asemdi bia honom wa abra na wonom ekwekura placards a watrotron nsem bebre ewo so
to akasia no so na police inspector wasantemantem mu a wobo ne mpena etu a ne mpena ne die nya eye maadwoa no enma wo sade no ekugina asokore Mampon Circuit Court District Court ema ewi akire se wogi tumu ahyase no ene die o se wonye ehonum ntum se bia wadi awu emu nsam ento aso Adom TV edeba
Prince Charles ya neba na police ne wakudi ba ya guide no onya Prince Charles ya Prince Charles e betumo me guide no ba mu di ni jani mi ko da pa nwa mema no ye ni hye ye ko fie kwa wi ni akon si mo awem de betimi de o ma delay time me say Victoria da pa ani nwa mema no ye ko fie ye ni hye ye mle nya ko no mi wi enti asokore district court o mo fata akum mpem la
se wo hwe de ekwe ya wo mo ebo modin bia se wo betimi ede takum apie abonten Bambo for ne san free reinforcement ama police for ni bi aba be ka ho nanso no krampo no enye easy omo seta akuma kase woni fo etini na ne ya we hye omumu omubu afu a omo de eye dede etisisi ana ye hwe se wo betimi de takuma ba betena kanum na omo de na free court ya say akọ
Hey!
Asababa. Hey! Enya. Awo.
Enochino, State Principal Attorney, Ora Ernest Aye, what did you just say?
The district court is the lower court. The high court is the one going to try the case. And so he has been committed and we'll be going to the High Court to try the case.
Oman heda kwa no man yeli ne ntama ma no me o mo say che ana asem ye kokoto waje atum so oku me ofa ase no so anye antum waje atum no so man yeli ne ntenta no me o mo say 3 months 4 months o mbeti yenka
say da be na mkwa kwasie ma ajo
that way 24 ya
Enro ana ye wiase nyina tukotenafo eda World Refugee Day. Na yase o man Ghana mu Burkina Faso bese 3000 na womude woni akire experiment fi edo honomo na emuntu aso na Adom TV kase edeba.
So far no ya register Burkina Faso na ya register no empemiensane ahamenu 3200 omoka ho na 11000 no but bebe so ho yenyan register omo ya gusu ya register ntini number no be kosro ti maybe ano ti ya registration we a ebema oblamanfo asiati
Ghana Refugees Board echiremu a wo mu a wo bowura etifedo mantem awoduo mu no obeti wani ahwe wo mu yie pa abedwafo titire ne eye Kenneth Ajiman Atafo a oni Adom kase etwetwe saa enkomoyi
if ye wo aman be se 30 ena omo ahoho ewo oman mu se refugees efi Russia ne Afghanistan ne oman bebre Britain num ne ade nyina bi ka ho a omo nyina no ya boa omo Sudan ne your friend is saying Syria ne all other countries Lebanon ne ade ne nyina ya boa ma as Ghana Refugee Board ebon ho modern na eye de efata
United Nations High Commission for Refugees HRM say obekosoa abagana echidom sebe ya wamu a etu abetino mai Ghana mu no obetimi abo wamu ho ban ana musini a wo ba dwumedi na se eye Esther Kragu enchemu sei ene wode etuja.
If we look in our own neighborhood here within the continent, last year we were talking of Ukraine, but this time you can see what's happening in Sudan. Already that conflict has produced over 500,000 refugees into neighboring countries, including Chad.
Nene Burkina Faso ya wababa wonsese wo man Ghana mu ewa Upper East mantam ne mu no wombotae no wani so ade hunu a wode ba ye senke bia wombenya mmoa aduane femu baabi wombedanom ne ade no ankoba ne saa womokyerem se mu aye den pa de ama wo ewo ho a Adom kase edeba.
They have just used this moving around and water is going in. But the question is they have no option. They have to live by what it is. When I ask few of them, they begin to say that we pray that rain don't even come because when rain is coming, we have no place to live. But when there's no rain, we sleep at anywhere we want.
Edi World Refugee Day nti ode to aban anim se anye bi kura no omre wo mo aduane. The
majority of them are buying food on credit with the hope that when they come, you'll be able to get enough to be able to settle back the food that they are borrowing now. They were supposed to buy, but majority of them cannot. So I have spoken to community members to just lend them with food stuff for now because they are all God creatures and they are all images of God. They should try to support them with the food stuff so that when they also farm and they get some day.
Wonumbia etiwo entimi emfa ne yawo ensie oni Adom kase atwetwem komo ekyerɛkyerɛ amane a wo famu okyirimu se ewo se mpanifo etwawani ebɛhwɛ wo mu sebe ya emofra wonu mu anyini ema obetimi age wo mu efra wonyehia mu
kitonu sun wakama ko ma layela ko mu kabe nyutun kapam ko ma nyude ko mu kabe ba ton me ana mar we se zininga akabe donc we kiangara makabe donc riba me ya yelle rota gazi ga ya to fangili ya yelle sa sanwa kinra tondota yampanya tondota ya toto donc
Adom TV Badwam kase na ubiso ehwe na economist wasaye ochechireni wo University of Ghana Business School Professor Godfred Bokwin. Nene wasema mpani adodanko akufuado se wuntumi emfa ahwoafo bese aduanan pe enye wamamu mu dia na ne wose odi bia ne to ho sama mpani Adom kase ediba.
If you pick transportation alone and you look at that value chain and you look at the number of ministries in that value chain, I don't think we need all of them. The point is that you are in a crisis and you want to come out. You are looking at the kind of expenditure cut that will not hurt growth. We are looking at the expenditure cut that you need to do that will promote growth.
Okay.
And first and foremost, the state does not exist for its comfort. The state must use all its powers and to facilitate the growth of businesses, because that is where job creation is going to come from. You can even look at tax from two perspectives. Tax as an investment. So there are countries that lower their taxes as a way of promoting what? Businesses. So that when businesses grow, look, assuming we had like, if you go and check top 20 businesses in Africa, top 50 businesses in Africa, you will not find Ghana in there. Well, the point that I'm making is that the method we have chosen to restore debt sustainability is going to impose unnecessary hardship.
You make a point in the transportation sector. So we have Ministry of Roads and Highways, Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Railway Development. You want us to merge all of these into one?
Why can't we do that?
Okay.
If any president comes and says that he can't do that, he should resign. Okay? We are not looking for perfect people to govern this country because we can't get that here. Right? If the president cannot govern this country with less than 40 ministers, he should step down.
Including the current president?
He should step down. What is wrong with that?
Okay.
We said that govern with this number of people because we don't have the budget to sustain all of that. Okay? Collapse that, sell the V8. I hope you understand that. You know what? You need to declare war on this economy.
Chief Executive Officer at the Consumer Protection Agency, Kofi Kapito. Now, what you understand to abino and in Kebeya Consumer Protection Bill, no one more person and Mayamra, them one central function would just say no, the Sansemi, Etuja.
Ghana for Mumu MP4, Mumu Oma Omaye, Nimdia for Mubiso Mose, Yam passes our Billy, and San Afia Swan. You turn ya next year, you have a election. And Ranosono, say 1 year, for him, say Congress, say Parliament, sorry, almost sorry, we are, a Jew was all over Antino, Yanni before 2024, a year 2028, a better.
West African Regional Director Edema Katz appear kusi Adomako enso edituja.
Ye sha say akwese bill akwa could and go slow lane and more the other bills in efa the express and one highway no so. It's extra by pa because Ghana for will never forgive MPP if this bill is not passed before 2024.
Communications Director Edema Food and Drugs Authority Rhoda Irabina appear enso edi futu momanfo.
Inti nyina kosi se aso product ya mitwe ya register FDA de nsa ahase ana fi se FDA ahyanso de wo ho a eno pene ade a wo zima no benya hotoso e wo ho se sadia onni ho kwan se wo ma wani di eche impo sometimes products and yajatumba advertisement and say FDA engine to mutimi make all kinds of claims enye no kre enye scientifically proving eye na da na marketing keke say or the model dada manfo
Shebeje fiemo say aban no hye foforo bi a wode ba say wode laptops be share textbooks anemu no eno no enye bota yesisi na mom de wo say aban no contractors for what the one more wontua one manu and wontua so yes ane mani nyina bibia bekoye e schools ahodo no mu Adom TV etwaso.
So if we are owing all these people and you are not even able to release money for day-to-day administration of the schools and you are going to use over 740 million this year, we are told the cost is about 1.14 billion Ghana cedis. So that means we have still at least about 400 million to pay next year. Now, we don't even know the number of tablets that have been procured.
Afi wasaka de toaso sai dwumadie eye kwan ya ban pese wode ewie sika efiri omanfo efutuo mu senti enyade wo bepene so da.
What we have observed, our investigations have shown that it is through these procurement processes that a lot of corruption takes place. because you don't know the procurement process that is used, whether it is sole sourcing or restrictive tendering, you don't know. So as a committee or as a House of Parliament, we need to know that. So although we have approved the formula, there's still a condition that Parliament must be briefed on this 740 million. The number of tablets that have been procured, who procured it, and how many have been procured. What is the unit cost of each of them? And I can tell you that the year will end and we may not get answers to these questions.
Mrashe Bedwani Alhassan Suhini say enedi aban no wonwe Ghana for ho kora ne titu ene wo mo ewo tamale aboabo timber market na so ewo beyi won mo afiri ho no nanso ni nyina mu no ahweafo anaso ahweafo no de aba se oyi wo mu firi ho a wo mpatade ya ye de bema wo mo Adom kase etwaso.
The facts remain that the minister, and you can all check, Google it right now, Tamale Lands Commission denies the sale of timber market. Google it. If he's saying the Lands Commission has never denied the sale, denied that they are selling, that land, the reports are there. The press conference was organized May 2021.
Ensemo de tudwa efa eye siketua anase compensation wono. Minister of Lands and Natural Resources Samuel Abujinapo ede tudwa se aban no aya hoboa se womanfoi womo ebehwe.
If I come to the House to pose a question about the people of Damango, that should take priority over any and everything. He's a member of Parliament for Tamale North, and by all intents and purposes, this is supposed to be a major issue for him. And he claims a major issue for the people of Tamale. And if he poses a question of that nature, the people of Tamale expect that he appears in the House to answer, to ask that question. He did not appear in that House. He was late, and he was derelict, and he disappointed his constituents, and that is the point I make. The second point about transparency, I am prepared to publish the entire file. I am prepared to publish the entire file relating to this matter. I'm prepared to publish the entire file. As I said, I inherited it. I did not execute the lease. And the broader issue of government redevelopment is not my policy. It's a policy which was enacted under President Rawlings.
Pediatrician, yeah, 137 military hospitals say adia ba kwa ya ewo sickle cell condition no ehun ni titi wo mema no fam ene se wo mo crisis ne ba wo mo be ma no begina so sa enya bete sa tina wo so obi abo no ho ban na uhunu odie na afi wankofo ha obi amre mohomoho Adom kase etwaso.
Dr. Bako hwe mofra yade ewo 37 military hospital insembia wode ya tudwa ene se emema sickle cell yade no womunye bi no ade Bako ya na eha omopa ene se sebi wombe man beso yegina so a enya de so ne obabia wo honom ana asempo no obabi de ne nsa ne nam ne ho. Dr. Samuel Ochre to an nsem so ekadeka so mema no egina so a echa ebetuma nam so kura masebi be makro no adobnada we hu ntino wonmo mo sickle cell yade ne bi no emomodin ase abrani abrano no omepene ntema kwa ya sabia se base wo mu ho bibi etise ewo wo mu enipadua mu a ne nyina mu no o kire se wo mu wadru bi wo otumi de ma won ma wo mu yade ne bi na emfa ho se dro no entumi entu yede na sekura no eso sa ha no ano kakra.